Hello. Hi, the biggest news from the Microsoft Build conference yesterday is that Microsoft has released new versions of their large language models, the open source large language models. The new Phi-3 models are larger and feature longer context windows, over 100,000 words long. They score really well on benchmarks. I want to see whether it can help me understand public companies' quarterly financial statements. So I'm taking Nvidia's quarterly report, released yesterday, to test it. First, I start a GaiaNet node running the Phi-3 model, which is the Phi-3 medium model. It is really simple. Just follow the instructions on the screen. It took me only 3 steps. It only took me 5 minutes total. Once it started, I followed the instruction to load the web UI, which looks like a ChatGPT UI that has a box where you can ask questions. Now I go ahead and find the Nvidia press release from the Nvidia website. So what I'm going to do is just copy the whole thing. It's a long document. Here. Oh, sorry. Okay. So I'm going to copy the whole thing. And then at the chatbot UI, I'm going to change the system prompt to please answer questions based on the context and financial statements below. Do not make up any answer that is not supported by the content in the context. Okay? So I add a dividing line and then paste the entire press release and financial statement here. All right? And I save this as a system prompt. Now I can ask questions. What are the most important takeaways from the report? Okay, it answers quickly. Notice that I started from the press release. I didn't start from the takeaways from the news article first. So it summarized all this directly from the press release and the tables of the financial reports, right? So it talks about the revenue growth quarter to quarter and year to year, which is really accurate. And the earnings per share. Oh, here's a little formatting problem, but that's related to the chatbot UI. That's the demanding for generative AI training and inference on the Hopper platform continue to drive data center growth. This is great. Several new initiatives about the new GPUs they're going to release. Okay. Oh, it increased the cash dividend. Okay, so it goes really fast. As you can see, it summarized 9 points from it's talk about the revenue and everything. That's a really good summary of the financial reports. So I'm gonna ask a very specific question. Are there significant changes to the assets and the liabilities? Okay, let's find that as well. So the balance sheet shows an increase in current assets to this. Okay. I think that might be billing because I don't think Nvidia is only, tens of millions in asset, but I'll check that later. Anyway, so let me ask an important question. What are the guidance and forecast given by the company? Okay, so Nvidia provided guidance for the second quarter of the finance with the revenue between, so it talks about the revenue goes to 28 to 29 billion and continued positive growth, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Gross margin supposed to fall slightly. Okay, R&D eating to the gross margin, which is reasonable, and suggests the cautious optimism about future performance and all that stuff. Okay, great. So then what should I do? Should I hold on to my Nvidia stock then? Okay, deciding to hold on to Nvidia stock should be based on comprehensive analysis of company's performance. Okay, just give me the standard answer. It will not give me a yes and no. But, it did mention that there's a strong financial health with increased revenues, with growth. So the fundamental is good. And with products that they are going to release and all that, so a lot of things that are positive. So it also talks about maybe you should look at the current price, whether the market has already considered those positive factors. Well, that's very cool stuff. So as you can see, without fine-tuning or without doing, ragging, the REG approach to divide up the content and doing any of those, just to give it a financial statement, it would already be able to answer questions pretty well. So you can imagine that there's thousands of companies' financial statements that you can give it to the model that essentially allow you to ask any questions about it. Anyway, finally, you can run the model on your own machine using the simple instructions provided here. And you can start a GaiaNet node with this model and have it answer your own questions. And all this is based on the LlamaEdge and LlamaEdge technology stack. All right, so I'll talk to you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.